Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1932 Buick Series 50 sedan. Got the owner Jim here. He actually restored this car from the ground up. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Jim?
Yeah, this was a nice original car. The upholstery is original.
Wow.
Yeah, the car was in decent condition. I put a new roof on the outside, the vinyl.
Yeah.
Not that I needed it, but you know, it was old and dry.
Sure.
So I just replaced that. I put a couple of new tires on it. The rest seemed to be in good shape.
Big wide white Firestones. New caps too. Those look beautiful.
Yeah, the hubcaps alone cost the man $600.
Wow.
Because they're new old stock.
Sure. Wow.
It has the keys to the ignition and the doors.
So they all match.
Yeah.
Under the hood we got a straight 8.
It's a straight 8. They kept that engine up until 53 or 54.
So it's a good, smooth running, strong, torquey.
Yeah, everybody knows them. They're real good engines. And all the chrome on the car was done when I got it.
Great.
And
was this the original color, or?
Oh no, the car originally had a poor paint job on it. So I said, well, it deserved a paint job. So
yeah, of course.
Nice.
Did you change the color from original, or is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, it was burgundy originally.
Very cool. So she's ready to go. So it's a very nice, like a baby blue and black with a red stripe. Jim actually made this box here, re-sheet metaled it. It's got a new wiring harness.
That's the original. That's the original.
Oh, this is the original.
Yeah.
And original black and lacquered. How cool. And the shades too are from a Rio in there. I'll show you those in a second. Those are all brand new. It's a nice box. You made the wood box too?
Yeah.
Very cool. I've known Jim for years. It's very handy. Got a cool look to it, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of gangsterish. Real nice chrome. And Jim painted it himself, so it's not like a body shop paint job, but it's very respectable. Straight 8 under the hood. Very clean. Rebuilt carburetor. You can see it's got a new gasket, valve cover gasket. Modern wiring system. He also shortened the column, so it gives you a lot more room inside. How much did you take out of the column, Jim?
Sorry?
How much did you take out of the column?
3 inches.
About 3 inches. Gives you a lot more room in here, huh?
Yeah, the big man can get in there now with no trouble.
And the interior is original.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
And
Very
the
cool.
seats are good underneath. I just put that on because I thought it was
Yeah, it protects it.
yeah, I did the same thing on the back seat so the sun wouldn't bother the top of the seats.
Really nothing special on starting it, so we switched the switch here.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
Make sure she's in neutral. And then there's a starter button on the floor right there.
Oh yeah.
Man, you could barely hear it, huh?
Oh yeah.
And did you redo the gauges as well?
Nope.
Wow.
No,
beautiful original gauges.
Yeah, we just did the wood grain.
So you think it's got 33,000 miles or
Yes.
130? 33,000 miles.
It was in storage for 18 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Very cool. You could barely hear the motor run. Cool. Very neat.
Ashtray.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. Man, you can barely hear it. So they had a long run on these motors, huh?
Yeah, and the muffler's original too.
The muffler is original?
Yeah, man, don't make it.
Wow, very cool. The interior is a testament to the miles, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Very cool. Man, original headliner?
Yep.
God, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Very cool. So neat. All the shades are new. It's a nice addition, the shades, you know?
Oh, I think it's a nice touch.
Really nice
I
touch.
had on my Willys. I do it with all my cars.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Real classy.
Yeah.
So is the motor run on just straight pump gas, or do you have to put an additive?
I put regular in.
Just regular pump gas.
Yeah.
That is cool. Man, runs like a sewing machine.
Yeah. I'm telling you, both of them. And both of them were laid up for 15, 20 years.
Mm.
You know?
You mean the Roadster?
Yeah.
Cool. We're gonna shoot that one next, guys. Got a brand new battery in here. Very nicely detailed on the motor.
Yeah, not bad. I bought everything in the catalog. Only wire.
Oh, you can get all the parts brand new for reproduction?
Yeah. And all the owner's manuals and everything.
Oh, cool. So he's got all the wiring diagrams and all that stuff. Hoses. Very cool. Runs like a top. Very cool. Okay. Very cool.
All the gas lines and everything were all new.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't give anything to chance. All the wiring is all new from front to rear.
So she's pretty road ready to go, huh?
Oh yeah, no, it's a turnkey.
Love the color too, very cool.
Yeah, everybody likes it. You know?
Right.
See, what I do is I like color, so I like to make every one I get a different color.
Well,
The green, everybody like that.
yeah,
You know?
it's very different.
Yeah.
Very cool.
My Willys was black with an orange grill.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Make it pop with some color.
Yeah.
Very cool. So Art Deco too,
Oh,
you know?
Yeah. Got the original cap. It's amazing. That cap misses the hood by less than an eighth of an inch.
Oh, really?
Imagine?
God,
Yeah.
very neat. And how about the dual side mounts? That's pretty cool. Kind of unique.
Yeah.
I've seen them normally with just a single side mount.
Yeah. Well, this car originally, when he had it, had regular fenders. Matter of fact, I got one in the corner in the back that came off the car. But when he brought the car down from Pennsylvania, he had everything in the truck.
How cool.
You know? So we put the side mounts on, and then the trunk rack
Double
was
trunk.
available too. So we put a trunk rack and trunk on.
Yeah, very
Can't
cool.
do much more, you know.
Sure. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You could also check out our main website for a little bit more detail, including photos of the undercarriage and all that. And thanks again, Jim. Beautiful car.
Okay.